My name is Naomito from NBC Planning Department. Today, I would like to propose a show that will be broadcast during prime time hours and that will determine the fate of our company in the future. It is a space reality show. It shows the challenge of man in space and our bright future. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human being to reach the moon. Then the era entered the age of international cooperation. Today, space has entered the era of the new space economy, and the brave people of the private sector are taking up the challenge away in space development. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by the mid-2020s and establish a sustainable presence on the moon by the end of the decade. In addition, NASA plans to send astronauts to Mars in 2030. The NBC television network, like many traditional broadcast networks, faced, faces several significant challenges in today's rapidly changing media landscape. Decline in the traditional TV viewership, advertising revenue, and maintaining brand and audience loyalty. Space projects by the private sector are an area of focus today. In addition, an exciting future awaits us, including space travel and migration to the moon. As you can see, the space economy is going to expand rapidly. TV stations should get with the times. On the other hand, today the media has become too dispersed, making it difficult to have a common understanding across generations. In particular, the proliferation of social network services has reduced opportunities for young people to obtain reliable information. As you can see, only about 20% of those in their 20s and 30s watch the news on television. By creating realistic image of venture companies taking on the space business, we will give hope to young, middle-aged people to imagine the exciting of the future, and older people to remember the days of Gagarin. Instead of thinking of space as something difficult to learn about science class, people around the world will be riveted by closely following the development of rockets and satellites, and by the simulated experience of life of Moon and Mars. Challenges and failures. The joy of success is broadcast in a very real way. This is exactly the right time. It is not a science fiction dream. It is not saturated like the IT industry. This is truly a great opportunity to get the moment of revolution. Many science fiction films have existed in the past. However, this project is very different from previous science fiction films. This is no longer a vision of future creation, but of reality. There will be a documentary exclusively on NBC about people migrating on the moon and for those who are migrating to Mars. NBC would be broadcasting the news. The space reality show will capture the most significant revolutionary moment of the century, and NBC will create a new era of humanity, a common understanding for all generations and the world. We hope to visit the site of private rocket development, the planned migration to the moon, and the realistic architecture as soon as possible. Please give us the go ahead. We at NBC will continue to broadcast information through the future of humanity. Thank you for your attention.